Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to say something very weird sounds that I've been hearing in my house. So it just happened right now and you didn't hear it because I didn't record that time. So the plate fell. It did not break or anything like that. I was watching a 3 a.m. video, then it fell. So I really think I I I had my grandma died eventually, and yeah, I really think it's my. I don't know if it's my grandma because she's dead and she's an angel. Maybe it's my grandma's spirit, but I don't think so. It just fell down. It was very far away from it was. It was like it's like this much long. No, I don't know. It was like in the fridge. It was actually in the sink. Then there, it's close to the fridge. So I heard it fell down. I was freaked out when I was watching a 3M video, the It by NNA Productions. But I'm just announcement that I hear a weird sound. So guys, please support me and pray because I don't know who did this. Okay, I did the Charlie challenge in school. So, Jeff, if you're watching this, please pray. Really. So I'll see you next time. Bye.